Hi, this is Shelley Kraft. We're coming to you live on SNNLive. We're at the Cambridge House California Resource Conference 2013, right here in Indian Wells, California. With me is Monsieur Sylvain Laberge from Gespeg Copper, GCR on the TSX Venture. Welcome to SNNLive.
Thank you for having me here today.
It's perfect to have you. Let's get right into it. Tell us the story.
Story's pretty simple. We're exploring in copper. We have 600 square kilometers in the Gaspe region, which is on the east part of Quebec.
So, you're in the area where people go to find what you have.
Exactly. Actually, it's a good region for copper. Gaspe Copper Mine was there for 54 years. It was owned by Noranda and then taken over by Xstrata, closed in 1999, and nothing has been going on for 20 years in that region.
The funny thing is that the best mines are the ones where people were already mining.
That's right. And the thing is, there's still some resource on their property. So what happened is that we decided to acquire everything around their mine that was in production.
What's your background?
Actually, I'm a sales rep. I'm a salesman, and I was in communication for 15 years. And it brought me, I was involved in a lot of mining companies, and that's how I got to become president of a company.
I'm impressed because you never know where a person comes from to get to where they are today. And if I don't ask, no one really knows. So I know it's hard for you to answer this question. What are the expectations on the size of the resource? And only tell me what you're allowed to.
Yes, definitely I will tell you what I'm allowed to. Right now on our property, I know we have an historical resource of 5.5 million tons at 1.3% copper. We made a new discovery in 2011. We want to grow that resource to at least 15 to 20 million within the next 2 to 3 years.
Well, it stands to reason that copper is still in demand. The price of copper still fluctuates, but there are certainly offtake contracts right now that you could probably find companies looking to speak with you.
Definitely. There's a lot of demand right now in copper. What people don't realize, the last big discovery in our region was Voisey's Bay in Labrador. Chinese have been consuming a lot of copper, and right now the reserves and the resources are depleting pretty fast. So we're looking into a squeeze in copper within the next 2 years.
That's good news to your shareholders, isn't it?
It is good news. It is good news for me too.
Okay, so where does the company go next? And you know, it's 2013. We all know what's going on in the current market. Tell me, what do you think is in store for the company moving forward?
What we're looking to do this summer, we're going to do 3,000 meters of drill. We want to continue on that discovery of 2011. My next step will be to raise more money. As you know, that's the only way a resource company can live, is by raising money. So we'll go back to the market. I have a very strict share structure. We're looking at 36 million shares right now, and 80% of it is owned by institutions. So right now...
Wow, how'd that happen? That's good.
It is good. It is good. I have a pretty supportive shareholder called 49 North. They own 58% of the company. So that's a pretty big help right there. But I have to make sure that we get a good price, and then we'll go back to the market at a certain point this summer.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to give you the website.
Website is GESPEGCOPPER, GespegCopper.com.
Gespegcopper.com, GESPEG copper.com. Ladies and gentlemen, Monsieur Sylvain Laberge from Gespeg Copper, symbol GCR on the TSX Venture. I'm Shelley Kraft. This is SNNLive, and we are at the Cambridge House California Resource Conference 2013 in Indian Wells, California. Thanks for coming on to SNN.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Shelley.